Hey guys, how y'all going? Welcome to another vlog. So guys, before I started recording, I did a little bit of cleaning. If you guys remember from old videos, that table over there used to be super messy. But I got that area a little bit cleaned up and I got those lights working as well. So we've actually got some unboxings to do today as well. But before that, I've got something really exciting to show you guys. Before I got this camera that I'm recording right now, I used to use this. So this is what I used to do my first, I think 5 or 10 videos. Yeah, so it's like an old Sony Cybershot. I mean, he made good videos, but nothing like the quality I have been having recently. So what I'm recording right now is with a Sony a5000. It's a great little camera, guys. It's got an attachment for a tripod. It's got a flip out screen. Pretty much all you need to make small videos like this. But yeah, the bad thing about this is there's no mic input, and when it's like windy outside, you can hear the wind noise and stuff. The other thing is, in low light, this camera is horrible, guys. I'm sure you guys would have seen on my videos. The second it goes dark, the quality is all the way down. Guys, so this is the new setup I've got. It's a Canon SL2 or a 200D if you're from Australia. I have gone for the 10-18 wide angle lens with stabilizer and everything, so it's much easier to vlog with this, and also got that flip out screen, and also I've gone for a Rode Micro like external mic, so the quality is going to be so much better, guys. So anyway guys, today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what kind of future things I've got planned for the S2K. But before we get into that, guys, I gotta quickly go pick something up for my brother, and it's a bit far away and I don't even know what I'm picking up. It's a very nice day today, guys. I'd love to take the s2000 out to go pick it up, but you guys know nothing actually fits in that thing. Seriously guys, check out this massive ass camera. Oh my god. Definitely gonna need sunnies today, guys. So hot. And also got the place mapped out, guys, so let's go. So guys, we're back on the small camera. I 100% am I not professional enough to use the big ass camera while I'm driving. I know for a fact, guys, I will not be able to use that camera while driving when I'm driving my S2K or a manual car. Automatic, maybe. We've got about, I think, 20 minutes more drive to go. Not too bad. Alright, so yeah, now we know what we were picking up. So we were actually picking up some fog lights for his new car, guys. So he recently bought a Bug-Eye WRX wagon. It's in really cool condition, guys. Paint looks amazing. Car's in awesome condition. I think he's just doing some little things to it. So I think that's fog lights. I'm not too sure. So if you guys know, let me know, but I've got no idea. But yeah, guys, about what I was saying before. This camera is just, it's so big to actually use in the car when I'm driving around, because I'm still not too comfortable with this. But I know a lot of the big YouTubers, they actually use this like pretty much doing anything. For now, I am perfectly happy using this to do little things, and using that for more the main stuff. Anyway, so that's all picked up, guys. It's time for us to go home and get on to what we planned on doing. Alright, catch you guys there.
A few moments later.
These lights look like they're in very good condition, guys, so no cracks, nothing wrong with the mounting brackets, so I reckon he's going to be very happy. Alright, what do we got here, guys? Alright guys, so we got 2 packages here. Both are addressed to Nim's Dream, and let's get into them. I know exactly who this one's from, guys. So this one's from Anthony, the same guy that got me the mats for my S2K. And he's put a little unicorn in there as well. Hashtag Nim's Dream. This one's actually really special because this is from a subscriber all the way in Canada, guys. So guys, Carl actually sent me this about 6 months ago. So I'm actually really excited to do this, guys, because this is actually a little fix for a common problem for the s2000 with the hard top. So before we get to Carl's one, let's open up this and have a look what's inside. So guys, the main reason I've got this hard race engine mounts is that one, Anthony got these for me for super cheap, so I could actually try them out on my car. And the other thing is guys, the hard race one's actually a really big discussion in the S2K community in Australia, because this is one of those engine mounts that's super easy to obtain here. So guys, that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna be trying this out on my car guys, and I'll give you guys a proper review. So Anthony did say that it did increase the vibrations a little bit, but once the car's warmed up, he said it went down. But I have also heard some other bad things about it as well. So we won't know till we find out. I'm not sure about you guys, but many of the people I know with Mugen hardtops, including myself, find that the boot over here actually touches the hardtop when you extend it all the way. Right over here, you see that little mark? Not sure if you guys can, you should, but right there. And we'll check out the other side as well. And right over here guys, barely touching, but that's because I actually put the boot up really slowly. So if you put like any more weight on it, it would actually fall onto and like touch the hardtop. So instead of using the stock stopper, you actually put something a little bit higher so the boot doesn't go up all the way. So that way when the boot goes all the way up, it doesn't actually hit the hardtop. There we go guys, I have gone ahead and installed these, as you guys can see, right in there. And if you look from here, it's no longer touching. Alright, well let's take the car out and talk about what the future holds. Well, before we get to this part guys, if you guys are new to the channel and don't know what kind of mods I've got on my S2000 guys, please watch the last video I uploaded. I will put it up here for you guys as well. So yeah, that out of the way, let's get to it. Everything I'm going to be changing, that I'm going to be telling you guys, the change will only be happening if you guys agree with me. So I will run quite a lot of polls up here, and if you agree, click yes. If you don't, click no guys, and I will take your considerations very, very highly. So by now, I think you guys already know that my front bumper is going to be changing, because I mentioned that on the last video. And two videos before guys, I gave you guys a little poll, if you guys remember, and it was Voltex or ASM, and I read that poll guys. Voltex has won, so 100% I will be going through with the Voltex front bar. So that will be the first change that will be happening to the car guys. The spoon bumper will be gone and Voltex will replace it. I'm so damn happy with these wheels guys, they are not going to be changing. 100% they will be staying till the end. So currently I don't have side skirts, as you guys can see. After a long hard thought guys, I have decided I'm going to be going with Jace Racing side skirts, and with that guys, I have also decided that I want to run Jace Racing rear flares as well, and I'll tell you why. The ASM rear flare is like very, very flush with my tire and wheel setup, but that is not how I exactly want it. I actually want my flares to extend a little bit further and cover the wheel a bit more. So after checking around guys, the flares that I have to be running to get that kind of fitment will be the Jace Racing one, so I will be selling that and swapping that out for a Jace Racing rear flares. So in the topic of getting rid of what I have guys, I have decided I am going to be getting rid of the Jace Racing bonnet for a stock bonnet. Along with that guys, I think I'm going to be getting rid of the APR mirrors for stock mirrors as well. I know many of you actually love the Jace Racing bonnet guys, but with my Voltex front bar and also Jace Racing flares, the car is going to be looking hella aggressive, and I need to tone down the aggressiveness a little bit. So to that guys, I'm going to be changing the bonnet into a stock one so it's a little bit less aggressive, and also the mirrors. The car might not look as aggressive guys, but it's going to give a much cleaner look. This is kind of the fitment I want for the back as well guys, where the flares actually go over the wheel and the tire, so nothing is even flush or sticking out. While over there, if you guys can see, it's a pretty flush, maybe a little bit sticking out. Oh yeah, this part of the video is going to be a very crazy test for this camera and the mic setup, because it's quite windy guys. It's actually really, really windy, so I'm hoping the wind noise will be reduced by that mic. So guys, these changes I mentioned right now are not going to be happening really fast. They're going to happen very slowly, because I do have to find those parts first. The last mile of the build guys is going to take a while. I have talked to a couple of people for bringing in a Voltex front bar and also the Jace Racing stuff. They are going to take a while, but it will be happening guys. So it will be a little slow, but it will get there. You know the saying guys, the less is more, so that's why I am going to be getting rid of the Jace bonnet and the mirrors for a bit more cleaner look, but it still look aggressive. So guys, do you agree with these changes or do you not? Please let me know in the comment section, guys, because I won't be going ahead with the big changes unless you guys agree with me as well. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what you guys think, because things are going to be changing. Not very soon, but slowly they will happen. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.